Hello everyone. It's been a while that I haven't shoot any new video. But today I have a new to me, a third generation Toyota Alphard. This one is the hybrid model. It has a hybrid powertrain, and this Alphard is the 2016 model year, but we have upgraded to the 21 model. We first sleeve it. Okay, let me show you all around the car. Let's take a quick tour. Toyota Alphard is a luxury minivan from the Toyota, and it is a very popular model among the other luxury minivan, or we call it the MPV car. I think the Alphard is not available to all the worldwide. It's only available to some country which sell officially, like in Japan, which is its own country, in Malaysia, in Philippines, in China and Russia. And here in Cambodia, has been very imported. And this particular Alphard, I bought it from Japan. It actually is a right steering wheel car, but we swap it from Japan. We convert to left-hand drive because here in Cambodia we drive left-hand drive cars. So we have convert it to left-hand drive. Okay, let's see inside the car. Very new. The people who work in the steering conversion section, very skillful, you see. They convert it to the left-hand drive, which look really nice. Look almost like from factory. The shift column also converted, easy to use. That part is missing, and we are finding it to make it look perfectly like the factory. By the way, this Alphard is a AC trim level, which means that it is fully loaded, but it doesn't have the massage seat for the second row seat. For the executive lounge, which is another trim level, it has the massage seat for this seat, the second row seat. But for this one, it's still really nice. It's comfortable. It has the dual sunroof, the TV, and you can extend the leg areas, as well as you can lay the back down to sleep, to relax. Very nice. I don't know if you have watched my another video, which I have posted like last month or like a few weeks ago. I post about this Alphard too. Actually, this Alphard has a front accident in Japan, It's the fender, the left fender, and the front bumper. But now we already fixed it and upgraded to the 21 facelift. You see, it looks very nice. You know, people who used to try it really love it because it's very comfortable. Even me, first of all, I'm not really like the MPV car. I like sport car, I like SUV. But when I try this one, and then I love it. Well, the Alphard has the 7-seater, and we can fold it up for the space if we don't need. It is a very nice car. We can use it as a family car or a business class car. Either is usable. Auto trunk. And the best thing is this one, it comes with the hybrid model, which comes with the inline 4 2.5. It is very efficiency. The Alphard also comes with the V6 3.5, but it is the gasoline car, no hybrid. If people who like the powerful one, they can get the V6 model. Very nice. So what is your idea for the Alphard? Do you like it or you don't like it? I see in Japan they have the community who modify the Alphard. They use the body kit, the custom wheel, and lowering it down. Look very cool. But for here in Cambodia, most of the owner drive it as a family car, and some drive it for the businessman. Yeah, they drive to the office for the meeting or official event. Very nice. Okay, thank you for watching, people. If you want to have any constructive advice, please let me know. I am not a professional YouTuber. I am just the YouTube user. I have a car, I have a phone, and I want to show you, so I just shoot the video and posted it. Any comment, please let me know. Thank you.